Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, first we discuss about the curriculum foundations of the Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College, and second we discuss about the project Namrata. Let's start the video by Rabjot Singh and Babdeep Singh. Who are we? CDF HTV Khalsa chapter was formed in the year 2019. Since then, it has worked significantly towards bringing down socio-economical barrier. CDF HGTV works along the lines of the 3C model: collect, create, change. Currently, we have four ongoing projects in this society. The first project is Kilkari, second project Rameta, third project Swase, and fourth project Savagreen. Let me discuss about the Project Kilkari. Project Kilkari provides underprivileged children with quality education and co-curricular activities. Second project Swasthya is a collaboration with the Tara Zameen Foundation, assisting the small community of women to earn livelihood by advanced course on tailoring and stitching learned by them. Then we discuss about the Project Ramita. Project Ramita provides livelihood to the women beneficiaries who are skilled in making embroidered jewelry. The project aims to develop their entrepreneurship and marketing skills. Project Evergreen. Project Evergreen aims at making the youth aware of career opportunities and introducing to various mediums that will help them to achieve their goals. Let me discuss about the internships. The society is pivotally divided into four departments, four synchronized working which are graphics, research, content, and video editing. Let me discuss about the project Rametta with the motto of empowering elegance with the collaboration with Pretna and Project Rametta to support women artisans who create a beautiful handmade jewelry with a focus on sustainable, ethical, and eco-friendly practice. Rametta strives to make a positive impact on both the people and the society in collaboration with Pretna NGO. About our products, jewelry made by women beneficiaries under Project Rametta in collaboration with Pretna is lovingly crafted by skilled artisans. The project empowers a women artisans from the underprivileged background by providing them with training, tools, and market exposure, enabling them to become financially independent and self-sufficient. What makes a Mehta jewelry so special? It is the personal touch that each artisan brings to their work. Moreover, the products have a social impact that goes beyond their aesthetic value. About our beneficiaries based with around 15 women beneficiaries aged between 18 to 40 is located in a small village Kalonda near Dadri in Uttar Pradesh. Our beneficiaries is provided by NGO are women from underprivileged background who possess the skills of making exquisite jewelry but lack the resource and platform to showcase their talent. Field visit to Dadri. Every month, the members of this project will conduct a field visit to the town of Dadri, where a beneficiaries live. The member conducts a various workshops and interactive sessions to engage the beneficiaries and also spreads awareness on various topics.
Now I will be explaining you about the sustainable development goals कि हमारा प्रोजेक्ट रम्यता कौन से सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स फॉलो करता है. बट बिफोर एक्सप्लेनिंग आवर सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स मैं आप लोगों को सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट का मतलब समझाना चाहूँगा. So basically sustainable development means that development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. हमारा प्रोजेक्ट रम्यता 3 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स पे काम करता है जो कि हैं सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल नंबर 1 नो पॉवर्टी, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल नंबर 5 जेंडर इक्वालिटी एंड सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल नंबर 10 रिड्यूस्ड इनइक्वालिटी. नाउ हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में टोटल 50 बेनिफिशरीज हैं जो 10 के ग्रुप में डिवाइड किया गया है विच हेल्प देम टू पूल देयर रिसोर्सेज एंड वर्क टुगेदर. नाउ आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट आवर प्रोजेक्ट रेवेन्यू मॉडल कि हमारे मेजर सोर्स ऑफ इनकम कहाँ से आती है इस प्रोजेक्ट की. सो our major source of income comes from setting up different stalls in various colleges and fest. हमने अभी तक as a team 14 stalls set up किए हैं in different colleges. We also promote sales through online mode via Instagram. हमारे other selling channels भी हैं which include direct sales, personal sales or through our relatives. Now we also have a record of our sales which you could see on the screen right now. Now our beneficiaries are located around a small village in Kalonda near Dadri, Uttar Pradesh, with the female literacy just 31.53%. Kalonda में only 2.2% of working women out of a considerable number are marginal workers, which means that they are employed for less than 6 months only. And thus, it is very important to know about what impact we have created. Because our project Ramyata, the women, because of our project Ramyata, the women got a livelihood option to sustain their as well as their family's life. They have learned a skill that can prove to be a means of self-employment for them and make them financially independent. Also, Project Ramyata provide women with no supplementary income but with an opportunity to a regular and non-agricultural source of income.